Tonight you're going to see 6 people who represent 6 different aspects of faith. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to find yourself in more than one of them.
King, we ain't doing that God stuff this weekend. Man, we hanging out with real people, doing real world activity.
I came here to renew my spirit and find my inner me.
Yo, inner me?
It kills me, man. Church folk, man, always come out one way in the church, then outside the church, man, they turn into totally different people.
No. Now, come on, y'all. Drina and Dave, both of y'all have known me for too long. And both of y'all should know, if anybody should know, that I have always loved the Lord. And if it wasn't for the Lord, I don't know where my life would be.
Thank you.
Feel better.
Mm-hmm.
What would make her feel better is seeking God and all that he has for her life. True peace can only be found in God.
James, I really appreciate your concern, but sweetheart, this life is filled with nothing but heartache and pain, stress and sorrow.
One event changes their destiny forever, 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 forever.
I mean, this is the kind of entertainment that you want to bring your family out and check it out. Bring out the unsaved ones, bring out the ones that they ain't never been to church, because it's a reality check. It really makes your mind begin to wonder. So I encourage you to come out and encourage you to see this, because it's going to be it's just a mind-blowing experience, and you haven't seen anything yet until you come. We got one question for you. Are you ready?
I pray we'll all be ready. I pray we'll all be ready. I pray we'll all be ready for his return. I pray that we'll get our business straight, so